Hey, Aussie crypto lovers! If you've been trying to break into the world of crypto trading but keep getting stuck with platforms that are either too complicated or just plain disappointing, you're not alone. I've tested more than I can count. Some look promising at first glance but end up being full of fluff. But recently I found something that genuinely delivers. It's called TrueBlue. Now, this isn't just another trading app with a flashy marketing. TrueBlue is a fully automated AI-powered crypto trading platform built specifically for Australian users. And unlike most bots out there, this one actually makes crypto investing feel easy, smart, and surprisingly stress-free, even if you've never traded before in your life. And here's where it gets exciting. I've been given access to an exclusive invite link, and if you use it to sign up, you'll unlock a special welcome bonus that's not available through the public website. It's a limited time offer only for early users. So do yourself a favor and tap the link in the description below to claim it. Trust me, you'll want that head start. Let's talk about what makes TrueBlue stand out. First off, it's 100% hands-free. The AI scans global crypto markets 24/7, finds profitable trades in real time, and executes them automatically on your behalf. No more watching charts or second-guessing every market move. No technical experience? No problem. As for results, users are reporting daily profits between 150 and 400 Australian dollars, and some even reaching monthly returns of up to 70%. Of course, that depends on the market, but the point is, once it's set up, you don't need to lift a finger. It's smart, passive income, powered by real-time artificial intelligence. Now here's the kicker. TrueBlue is serious about security and compliance. It follows Australian financial laws to the letter, including AUSTRAC, KYC, and AML protocols. Your funds and personal data are protected with military-grade encryption, and all systems are hosted using secure, locally compliant cloud infrastructure. So yes, you can actually trade with peace of mind. Getting started is simple. TrueBlue connects with top global exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, so setup is quick and easy. Just link your wallet, activate the AI bot, and you're ready to roll. And if you need help, their Australia-based support team is available 24/7. Real humans who understand the local market and are ready to assist at any time. Let's circle back to that invite link for a second, because that's your key to unlocking full access. When you register via the link in the description, you not only activate your account, you also claim the exclusive welcome bonus, giving you an instant edge. More features, more control, better results, right from the start. Here's another thing I love. TrueBlue's AI doesn't just follow basic indicators. It uses advanced machine learning to adapt to shifting markets in real time. It's not just reacting to trends, it's predicting them. So over time, the bot becomes more accurate, more efficient, and more profitable. The longer you use it, the better it gets. There's also a powerful risk management system built in. You can set your own stop-loss levels, tweak your risk profile, and choose which coins to focus on. So even though it's automated, you're still in control. And again, all of that unlocks as soon as you sign up with the exclusive link below. And let me be clear, TrueBlue isn't some shady offshore operation. It's a locally built platform designed by a team that understands Australia's financial landscape and takes compliance and transparency seriously. They even offer live onboarding sessions for new users, which is almost unheard of in this space. So if you've been sitting back, unsure when to make your move into crypto, this is your moment. With smart automation, strong Aussie compliance, and a truly beginner-friendly design, TrueBlue makes crypto investing work for you, not the other way around. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link in the description, sign up, claim your exclusive welcome bonus, and start your journey with TrueBlue, the smarter, safer way to grow your crypto portfolio in Australia.